Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a roaming Delhiite and I've come back again with a new video. So this time I will cover two things. So the first thing I will cover is this tank bag for the Adventure 390, and the second thing I will cover is this jerrycan from Bandido's Pit Stop. So after a few days of research, finally I found this bag, that is the Dirtsack Boomerang tank bag for this bike. And if you notice, this bag is curved and it fits in basically it fits exactly in the same shape as the tank is. And this is basically a 18-liter tank bag and it is waterproof. I'll show you in the inside of the bag. So it comes with one pocket. There's a waterproof top roll bag which makes it a 100% waterproof bag. Apart from this, it also has got pockets inside. There's one pocket here and then there's a velcro based pocket. So basically you can put items inside this which will be visible to you from here also. So for example, let's say you want to put a map or you've written something which you have to read immediately while you're riding, so or while you stop. So basically this makes it, this transparent thing makes it easy. Apart from this bag, if you look at the size and the shape, this bag is very sleek in shape. It does not really interrupt with the movement of the legs of the rider. Plus if you turn the handle left and right, so notice there is no place this bag comes in contact. So again, it is very very user friendly, and it does not even interrupt with the knees while you're riding. So your knees are tucked in here, so it does not really touch your knees or interrupt with that. One more thing I've noticed, that while riding the bike with this bag, it does not really move left and right. And there's no more or less this bag is empty right now, and there was a lot of wind blast while I was coming from my home to this place. So very stable and very sleek in design. This costed me around 25 or 2300 rupees. You can check that out on the website of Dirtsack. Now talking about the loading of this bag. So basically there are 3 straps which come with this. So 2 straps will come behind towards the rider's side, and the other strap, that is the third strap, will go under the chassis, under the neck of this bike, and you can just lock it here. So basically if I can show you, so this is the strap. This strap actually comes with a loop, and you can lock it somewhere here. Please make sure that you keep this far away from the engine, because engine becomes a lot hot and it might catch fire also. And then this male lock can go inside this female lock, and that's how you will lock the bag. Same thing you need to do it for the left hand side also. So this is how you can lock it from the rider's end, and you can just pull this strap to tighten it up from both the sides. And talking about the locking of the bag from the front side, so basically it comes with a single strap. So you have this you have this female lock here. You can just put that strap inside this, lock it here from one side on the left hand side. Then you can just loop the strap around the neck of the bike somewhere from here, and then this strap will come here, and then you can just simply lock it. If I can show you again, so this is the male lock, and this will go inside the female lock, and simply you can lock it here. And then there's a strap which you can pull. Just give me 1 second. So you can just pull this strap, tighten this up, and the extra strap, whatever is left, you can just loop it around some place where it is safer. So that's how you load this bag. It's very very simple to load and very very minimalistic in design. Performance wise, I have not yet faced any issues. I will also give you one feedback when I go on my trip and load this bag with a lot of stuff. Then let me see how does it behave, because in that situation there might be a case that bag goes left and right also. So that I'll tell you later on. So that's the first part of the video, that is the Dirtsack Boomerang tank bag. So the second part of the video is this interesting thing, which is the jerrycan from Bandido's Pit Stop. So I bought it for like around 2500 rupees. This is a 5 liters jerrycan in which you can carry petrol, and this is made of plastic, and it comes with the main nozzle. In this there's a pipe. Using that pipe you can just put the petrol inside the tank with the help of it. It also comes with one more outlet, from where here you can try and opening this, and you can just release the gases which are building up inside. So that's how it is made. It comes with this instrument. It rotates clockwise to lock it, and plus it also comes with a lock, which is this. I'll show you how it how it goes inside and how it is locked. And it comes with a pair of keys. So these are the two keys which basically helps you lock this jerrycan on the bike. Plus it also comes with one more thing, which is the mounting part, which is this plastic part, which is being which helps mounting this jerrycan on this. So basically you might be having a question, how did I mount it on this? So basically I contacted Fatberg Custom from Gurgaon, and they helped me customize my requirement. This jerrycan comes with 4 screws, and plus there are nuts and washers. So what they've done is that they on this this is a Motorin top rack plate which I've installed. And if in case you have not seen the video of that, please do go and check out the video of that also. So I have they what Fatberg Customs had done is that they have drilled 2 holes here, if you look at the plate. And then plus they have also installed one metal plate here, because if you notice, I mean, there's a huge empty space here, so there was no way we could put a screw or make a hole here and install the the mounting part. So they have made a metal plate here, bolted the metal plate here, plus bolted the other remaining 2 screws here, and that's how this plastic part got mounted. Now I will show you how to mount this jerrycan on this top rack plate. Once you have done with installing this main mount along with screws and everything, then you have to just put this here. So you have to put this here, take the lock, this is a rotating lock, you have to put it here, start rotating it. Once you rotate it, just keep rotating. I only do like two clicks, 2-3 clicks, that's it, because if you do like 4 clicks, it becomes really, really tight. And at one point I was not able to open this, it was so tight. And then after this you need to take the lock. This is the the main lock, where exactly the key goes. So to take this lock and then just put it here like this, and then push it, and that's it, your jerrycan is locked. So it's quite stable, it is not really not really shaking. Little bit play will be there, because it has to be there, else it might also end up getting damaged. Little bit play will be there. The play has to be like the play has to be only horizontal, not vertical, not like this. It has to be only horizontal, it cannot be vertical. If it is vertical, then this somewhere either your mount is loose or you have not locked it properly. So that's one thing. And if in case you want to open this up, simply take the keys, put it inside it here, put it here, rotate it on the right hand side, just pull it, and that's how you open it. So it's that simple. The reason why I chose this mounting on the rear side was because I had seen a lot of people mounting the jerrycans on the front side of the bike, that is on the crash bars. For me, I personally feel that this is like a safety hazard, because if the moment you crash any side, left or right, so basically the first thing which will get in contact with the ground is your jerrycan if you load it on the front. So immediately if in case you are on high speed or something happens and you fall, and immediately if in case if in case your jerrycans are here, it might happen that it bursts into flame. The bike might catch fire also. It's quite risky. I think only 5 liters will be good enough for me. I don't want more petrol, because this year the route which I'm planning to do, Ladakh, is quite quite different. And plus I have access to petrol pumps. I know that I will be able to reach to a point where I can get the petrol filled, just in case I take a detour or explore more. And in that case, in those scenarios, I am taking this jerrycan just in case of emergency. So this is my bike, and the location where I'm shooting this video is the Leopard Trails. It's basically 50 kilometers from my place. It is in Gurgaon. It's a nice place. It's really difficult to make a video in the city because there's a lot of honking, there's a lot of noise, random noises coming, and it's not really. I was not really happy with making the video there in my near my house. So I chose this location, and then I made this video here. So I hope you like this video. If in case you like it, please do hit the like button, and I'll also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, because especially the tank bag, finding a tank bag for the KTM 398, which is really difficult, and having the most comfortable one is actually very challenging. So I think this is the nearest, or the what should I say, nearest fit, perfect fit for this bike. Although I've seen a lot of people using big tank bags on the same bike. But what I've noticed that they end up shifting the tank bag left and right with their hands, and sometimes this interrupts with the movement of the handle also. So again, it is quite risky. So that's how it is. That's how the bike looks when it's loaded with the tank bag and the jerrycan. So this is an off-roading patch. I'll be doing a little bit of off-roading, not much. So yeah. So let's go. It's almost getting dark, and I have to go back home also. Yeah, one more thing about the tank bag is that when you are getting the petrol filled, so I would suggest that you open the bag from the front, because opening it from the back really messes up things, and the bag cannot really shift to right or left to get the petrol filled. So I opened the front part, which is a little bit easy. So that's how I was able to get the petrol filled. So let's go. So from a rider's point of view, you see how sleek this bag is. So you can easily you notice there's nothing touching here. It does not interrupt with your knees also. So that's how convenient is this bag. So yeah, let's go.